Let's look at cash flow. Actually, let's start with this. How much do we need to put down for a $700,000 house if I'm an investor and I have decent credit?
So a minimum down payment on an investment property is 20% down.
Perfect.
Right? On that. That's your bare minimum.
Say at the 700, I put down 20%. What's my mortgage going to be?
So one, you're obviously depending on going fixed or variable or adjustable rates. I always say for investors, it's better to be in an adjustable rate scenario because it's easier they're gonna have less penalty to break to get out of them, easier to refinance, pull money out of it. You just don't know as an investor. You want to be able to have that flexibility. You're looking at $2,800 or so a month, probably right now at a 4.5% interest rate, somewhere around there.
Rents range from $2,800 to $3,000. That's positive cash flow.
As an investor, look at potential vacancy rates and if it's a house, repairs and maintenance, and take all those things to be very realistic on your like month over month like cash flow, what it's really going to be. It's best to be more conservative.
Right? Out of that mortgage that they're paying, how much of it is actually interest? How much of that is going into their bank?
Right, so the length of the mortgage is 30 years, where the term that you're actually going into would be 5.
Sure.
$900 would be going to principal. So I always say that to people when they're doing these calculations. You got to think that $800 or $900 is going back in your pocket. So the real cost of carrying that property would be the interest payment on there. That's definitely covered by the rental income that you have coming in.
But here's the thing, it's not their money. And
exactly.
then, but the $900 is $900 you didn't have before that you're getting monthly into your account. Now duplicate that, duplicate it again and again and again and again and again, right? How much money do you have? When you get a rental property, it's not going to be, I'm going to flip a switch, I'm going to make some money. It's going to be a 10, 20, 30-year game where a lot of folks are thinking like, well, in 5 years, I'm going to cash in on this one.
Yeah. I always think when I sit down with someone who's even has questions about this, look at their long-term goals and their long-term trajectory.
So if you're thinking about, short-term gains, it's not going to be there for you. So don't watch this video anymore. Go away. So if you want to have that long-term gain, and you want to have something for your retirement for your kids down the road, you want to have millions of dollars of old money set away, this is what it's going to be.